Hello everyone, let's talk about the P10379774-RO22 reflective sensor, also known as the black mark sensor, designed for the Zebra ZT230, ZT220, and ZT210 thermal printers, essentially the entire ZT200 series, regardless of DPI. This sensor is a crucial component for accurate label printing. It detects the black marks on your labels, ensuring that the printer knows exactly where to start and stop, leading to properly aligned and professional-looking results. A faulty sensor can cause all sorts of headaches, from misaligned prints to wasted labels, so a reliable replacement is essential. This particular sensor is a genuine Zebra part, which is a significant advantage. While there are aftermarket options available, sticking with a genuine part often ensures better compatibility and performance. Zebra designed this sensor specifically for their printers, so you can expect it to integrate seamlessly and function as intended. The fact that it comes with a 3-month warranty is also reassuring. It shows that the seller, Get Parts, stands behind the product and is willing to offer support if any issues arise within that time frame. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered if the sensor fails prematurely. Get Parts also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is a fantastic perk, allowing you to try the sensor risk-free. If you're not completely satisfied with its performance for any reason, you can return it for a full refund. This eliminates any hesitation you might have about purchasing a replacement part online. Installation should be straightforward, as it's a direct replacement for the original sensor. However, if you're not comfortable working with printer components, it's always best to consult a qualified technician. Overall, the P10379774-RO22 reflective sensor from Get Parts appears to be a solid choice for anyone needing to replace a faulty black mark sensor in their Zebra ZT200 series printer. The combination of a genuine Zebra part, a 3-month warranty, and a 30-day money-back guarantee makes it a low-risk and potentially high-reward purchase. If you're experiencing issues with label alignment or inconsistent printing, this sensor is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.